Welcome back, viewers, to Youth Wednesdays on Tobago Updates. It's a little bit to 8 o'clock this morning. It's about like 12 minutes to 8, 7:48 to be exact. I know that some of you are getting ready to go to work, still on your morning coffee or morning tea, whatever it is that hypes you up for the rest of the day. I'm happy to be a part of that this morning. So to our viewers that are on the road currently, I hope that you pay attention, but in the hearing of my voice, I just want to let you know that we are continuing on with our interview segments this morning. This morning, joining us from the Scarborough Health Center, that is the health center at Bacolet, is the dental team that will be bringing to us a very exciting event coming up on Friday, right? To tell us a little bit about that event this morning, we have Dr. Dominique Baptiste. Good morning to you, Dr. Dominique, and of course, good morning to her nurse, the dental nurse this morning, Miss Tamara Harper. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for being here with us on Tobago Updates. I know you have a lot of information to share with us for that health fair. I know that you all are in the planning phase, getting ready to deliver. I am excited to hear what you all have to say. I don't know about you all, but I love to see that when I go to a dental health fair, they pull out that jaw of teeth to show me that demonstration on how to brush. Mind you, I brush my teeth, just putting it out there. But it's always nice to be reminded. And of course, you all, adults and children, are invited to this health fair on Friday. But before we go to the health fair itself, of course, we have that lead up. We have a competition currently happening in the schools, a competition that is said to be currently heated, and a lot of the participants, of course, are waiting to see what the results will be on Friday. So tell us a little bit about the ongoing competition.
Okay, so we have a dental quiz involving general dental education, dental health, and it involves standard 3 students of primary schools across Tobago. So we had 22 schools participate, and we had our preliminary round last week. Okay. So from that, we have our 3 finalists who will be competing on the day of our dental health fair. So the finalists are Scarborough Methodist, Charlottesville Methodist, and Wim Anglican. Yes. So we actually had Wim Anglican participate before, and they would have won prizes. They did a speech band. It was so wonderful. So let's see what would happen with them this time, or if the new schools, the Charlottesville Methodist or the Scarborough Methodist, will take over.
Could you give us some insight as to what this quiz is about? So you said it's a quiz that they participated in, and they'll be getting the prizes on Friday. So could you brief us on like some of the questions from the quiz? What did the quiz entail?
So we had questions about tooth anatomy, right? Well, more like tooth morphology. So the different shapes of the teeth and the functions in the mouth. We had questions spelling. So we have some big words. And these children, when I tell you at 9, they are brilliant. They were able to handle those words like malocclusion. They got them right. So we are excited moving forward. Of course, we spoke about dental health, the right habits, what you should do, how often you should brush, how you should brush, when you should throw away your toothbrush, all of these things.
Wow. So that's a lot that they had to learn at the age of 9. But as you said, they are pushing forward. We have 3 finalists coming to see who will take the top prize on Friday. I think at the age of 9 or around that age, a lot of little children are happy to learn those big words.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. They're not like us who, well, as she said the word halfway through, my brain gave up. Right? I'm no longer 9 years old. However, I'm happy that the 9-year-olds were able to suck in that information. We call them sponges at that age. Oh, yes. Yeah, so I'm happy that you all were able to pass on this information. And that brings me to the actual health fair itself. So I know we were discussing several things prior to our interview, and you briefed me on the purpose of the health fair. But I think our viewers should be privy to this information as well. What is the purpose of the dental health fair on Friday?
So our purpose is to educate the general public of Tobago on dental health, your oral health. Of course, we have made certain observations in clinic with people coming constantly to take out teeth. A lot of people aren't aware that you can save teeth. You know, we like to think as soon as it hurts, we take it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So with the children also, we think that parents need to be aware of the services that we provide and enable these parents to aid their children at home. Of course, it's not just about the children, it's about the adult too.
Yes.
So we really just want to educate the public on what we have to offer, and how to take care of themselves better at home.
Okay, and I know, well, our focus really this morning is the health fair.
Yes.
But I know that the health center itself gives certain services to the public. Could you get rid of some of those rumors? Some say that adults cannot come to the health center to deal with their teeth, or, you know, certain things like that. So what are some of the services that the health center does at the health center itself?
So I would start off by speaking about our health centers that offer these services. So we offer these services at Scarborough Health Center, Roxborough Health Center, Moriah, and Canaan Health Center. So for children, we do their regular cleanings, their regular checkups, fillings, and extractions where absolutely necessary. And for adults, we do extractions and examinations where absolutely necessary.
Now, I wanted to ask that question. I hope that my viewers don't think that I'm sidebarring, because the information was for me as well. Yeah, but I know that you all are having the health fair, and we mentioned the primary schools taking part in the competition. But we know as well that the adults can also come and take part in this health fair on Friday, right? We have a lot of activities that may be coming up for the health fair. Now, I'm going to put it out there. I don't want them to share the prizes with you. I want you all to actually go to the health fair and find out what those prizes are. So what I would want Nurse Harper here to share with us is what activities can we take part in so that we may win these prizes.
Okay. So most likely we may have crosswords, we may ask them questions about their oral health, and we would like them to answer so that they will get these little prizes that we have. Also too, we'll have nutrition team, we'll also have the nursing team, and they would be there to also educate people about their hypertension, their diabetes, and different things that they will need to know when they are coming to the dental.
I'm happy that you all are incorporating the diabetes and the hypertension aspect of it. A lot of people don't know, as in the general public, as you said, that the health fair is to really educate. A lot of them don't know that these diseases, these lifestyle diseases, they contribute to your teeth's health, right? And while we want to smile while we have teeth, we also have to take care of the rest of our body. So I'm happy that the team is incorporating such. I'm happy that you all have the nutrition team on your team to actually bring that information to the public. So my last question to you is, where would this health fair be? What time will it be? What should I wear to come to the health fair when I come to win my prizes? You know, what information should I hold in my head for the rest of the week for this health fair on Friday?
So the health fair would be on Friday, the 10th of October. It will be at Lowlands Mall, Gulf City. You all could be there at 9 a.m. and you all can wear anything. All is accepted.
All right. So you heard it here first on Youth Wednesdays on Tobago Updates. The dental health fair that is taking place at Lowlands from the hour of
9 a.m.
9 a.m. So you all have time. Yes, you'll go to work. Yes, you'll leave work, and the health fair will still be ongoing there to win your prizes and to take part in activities and to educate yourself while you still have teeth. So with a bright smile on my face, and of course Dr. Dominique Baptiste and Nurse Tamara Harper would ask you to share the live, share the live, share the live with a bright smile. So ladies, could you help me tell them, share the live,
Share the live,
share the live,
share the live,
share the live, and we smile very brightly.